Right, so this is going to be an interesting one. Never grown these before, but I've been given a few seeds by a friend at work. Cantaloupe Minnesota Midget. I've grown melons before. Indeed, I've done a video on growing them, but not grown this variety. So I've looked it up, and apparently this one is easy to grow, which is great. Everyone loves an easy melon to grow. And as the name suggests, well, Minnesota, so that's where it was bred, in Minnesota, and midget because the fruits are like cricket ball size, so literally only getting 3 to 4 inches in diameter. So yeah, let's try and open it. I'll put the camera down. There you are. So they're not as small as seeds as I was expecting, to be honest. They're a reasonable size, certainly bigger than cucumber. And I have got a bit of space in my cucumber sowing, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sow these direct into the cells. And treat them very much like I would do normally. So these will be planted upended like so, push them down about 1 centimetre into the compost, and then we'll just cover those over, and then once that's done, do a light covering of some compost. Don't forget to put write your label out so you don't forget what you're sowing. So let's get these done. Right, so just covered over the top, so having pushed the seeds down about 1 centimetre into the cells, cover them over, and then these seeds will go into the propagator unit, so a heated propagator over there, which is all set up. Based on previous experience, hopefully they germinate within a week to 2 weeks. Who knows, they might germinate faster. I am growing a lot of my stuff this year by direct sowing into cell trays, because it just takes out some of the plant stress of that pricking out stage into individual cells anyway. So yeah, let me stick those in propagator, and then I'll see you once they've germinated. There you have it. So we are on the 10th of April. These are the Cantaloupe, the Minnesota midgets there. So as I say, first time growing, wasn't exactly sure how long they would take to germinate, but came through within about 5 days, which was pretty good. And as you can see, out of the 5 seeds that I got given, all 5 have germinated. So that's pretty incredible, to be honest, for a melon, or certainly for cantaloupe. As I say, it's first year of actually growing this variety, so it'd be interesting to see how it does from here on. My thoughts are that I'll probably leave these in the cell tray, in these cells, for probably another week or so, and then pot them up into about a 10.5 centimetre pot, and just see how we progress from there. I think once they get into the 10.5 size, probably be time for their first feed as well. So that's that. Right, back with you. So these germinated 5th of April, I think. And really, I should have potted these on at the end of April, but just been so busy that these and the cucumbers have had to wait, quite frankly. So that's what I'm doing today, potting up these melons. So as I say, it's Minnesota Midget, so small fruiting variety. Not grown it before, got given the seeds by a colleague at work, so see how it does. So these are in these little cell trays, and I'm going to pot into those 1 litre pots. The soil mix that I'm using is this multi-purpose compost mixed with perlite, about 50-50 mix by way of volume. It's the same mix that I've been using for my dahlias and cucumbers, lilies this year, so had good results. So basically fill a pot halfway up with compost, push out to one of the cells, and there we are. So you can see it's a reasonable size, but obviously could do with getting some extra stability and having a cane on it as well. So that sits into the middle like so, and just like with the tomatoes and cucumbers, it is a little bit beneficial just to bury the stem a bit more, and that will encourage it to form a bit of root. It doesn't root, well, melons don't root as readily as a tomato does, and you will need to keep an eye on your watering so that it doesn't dry out, doesn't get too wet. So that's the first one done. Just got the others to get done, so let me finish those up and I'll come back to you. So there you have it, that's the 5 of them potted up. And I've got to say that melons actually do germinate quite readily, you know. In the past I've tried different ones and you do get a good germination rate, and once again these got given 5 seeds, sowed them, and 5 plants have come up. So yeah, that's the potting done. I won't give them a drink now because it's just gone 7 o'clock in the evening, so I'll wait until the morning, give them a drink. And they also need, as you can tell, a bit of a feed. Yes, they will get some feed from the compost, but to help with that transition time, I'll give them a liquid feed just to hopefully perk them up. Likewise with how I'm treating the cucumbers, I'm not going to bother caning these until I pot them up into the next size pot, which will be a 3 litre size, which now I'm back on track, should be about 2 to 3 weeks time. So watch this space, but for the time being, that's how to get your melons started from seed, plants and potted. Right, so that's the video done. Hope you found it of interest. If you've got any questions, please send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you do like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Always good to see new people coming on board. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing. And most importantly, enjoy your time outside in the garden and have fun. Till next time, bye for now.